Morning everybody, my name's John and this is We Buy Any Motorcaravan, and today we've got the Benimar Tessoro T483. As you can see, it's in the nice silver and it is based on the Ford Connect or the Ford Transit. Now it is the 2 litre 170 brake horsepower version, and you know it's based on the Auto. Now a little bit about the spec on this one. It's 2.83 metres on height, it's 230 wide and it's 6.7 metres in length. 3.5 tonne gross, and you have got a payload of 412 on this one. Now I'm a real fan of the Benimar. I'm also a real fan of the Ford. As my dad used to say, they're very, very easy to work on, nice and cheap and very good economically wise. So I kind of like the Ford base. Now, as I said before, it is the 2 litre, the 170 brake horsepower, loads and loads of power. The box on this for the Auto is very, very good. I like the silver colour. You've also got the Ford alloys on this one as a standard Benimar. As you come round, you've got the LPG. You have got your normal electricity point. You've got your water fill, and I do like the carbon effect on the Benimar. I think it adds a little bit of style, and it's a little bit something unique. As we come through to the back, and you will notice as we see the back end, you've got a nice large locker this side. Now there are 3 lockers in total. I say 3 lockers, 3 locker doors to get into the same space. But as you can see, nice entry point, a little bit of storage at the top, which is only accessible from the top. Now we come through to the back end, and I did say we've got a few entry points to this rear end. Now it has got another locker just here, which is all the way up. And as you can see, we'll probably zoom into this, but plenty of storage, 412 on the weight, so you can get loads in. This one does have a spare wheel. You've got all your LED lights, a little bit of the honeycomb at the bottom grills. As I say, it's not honeycomb, it's just a sticker, but it adds to that sense of a bit more quality. Reversing camera up at the top and a high level stop light. And as we swoosh round to this side, this is going to be your near side. Again, 3rd entry point into here. I'm not quite sure how many you need, but you let us know in the comments. Now as we come around to the side, you'll notice that this has got the near side toilet configuration and the habitation door. Again, your nice big Fiamma F45S awning. You have got satellite dish on this one. You've also got Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Connect. All your usual refinements, but I tell you what, let's go and have a look inside. Now the first thing that hits me when you come into this Benimar is the fact that everything's light and airy. So LED lighting all the way throughout. This is the 4-bed, 4-belt. This has got an electric drop down that comes from the top. And then there is a configuration to do all of your seating in here. But there is a natty little infographic just at the back to show you where all the cushions go and how it works. The other thing I really like about this is that this table, it's kind of, once I've found the handle, it's kind of, it's floaty. It kind of gives you that, you know, if you've got someone over that end and they want to get out, go to the toilet, or if not, or I don't know, you've got a seating configuration that's different. This table is brilliant. I love it. It's got the slightly cream oatmeal leather with the cloth as well. You've got all your USB ports for charging all the kids' entertainment stuff and normal sockets. And again, do you know what? I quite like it. Blinds, all the stuff that you need. This would be a really comfy place to sit and entertain. So moving through into a little bit more of the business end. So I wouldn't suspect that you'd have 2 people here cooking at once. It is really, for me, just a 1-person operation. You've got your sink, you've got your 3-burner hob, you've got your cooker. You've also got quite a reasonably big size fridge freezer. Plenty of places to put your wine. Nice freezer compartment. You've got the microwave. Yeah, it's nice and compact. All the doors are soft shut, and you've got plenty of sockets and 12-volt applications there. You've even got a little bit of an extractor for all those fumes, but generally the cooking area, reasonable. So I feel like I'm in one of those amusement places where you've got like the hall of mirrors, because there's mirrors everywhere. and you'll probably be able to see Heather at some point, but she doesn't like to be on camera, do you, Heather? So a little bit of storage first. Loads at the back there, over the garage area. As I say, loads of mirrors. You've got your toilet, you've got your sink, you've got all your refinement, you've got your storage. Decent sized shower area I can fit in, so it's got to be okay. Yeah, but I do feel like everybody's watching me when I come into the Hall of Mirrors, so I'm not quite sure where I'm going. Now, one of the things as I was just walking out of the shower area and getting myself all nice and dry is the fact that they've done a little touch with these hooks. Little bees, you've got little bees everywhere. I kind of like that, and for me it is about those little touches, those little finishes that make it a little bit different, something a bit quirky. So yeah, I like that. So like I said, I'm a big fan of the Ford. I think you know exactly what you get with these, and you certainly do with this one. You get the automatic box, the 2-litre 170 brake horsepower, which I'm again a fan of. Got all your cab blinds, everything that you'd expect. Your multifunctional steering wheel, your electric windows, your electric mirrors. You've got your climate control. You've also got your infotainment system. So your Apple CarPlay, your sat nav with the right stick. You've got your radio, your DAB. You've also got your rear view camera. So obviously this will come into effect when you reverse, or you can have it on as you're driving, just to check out what's at the rear of you. So yeah, a real big fan of this one. And look guys, let me know what you think. So a little bit of an ending on this one. My bad points, well, I haven't really got a lot of bad points. If there was one, it would be that rear storage area over the garage. I'm not quite sure, it's a bit meh for me. Positives is just, and I've said it all the way through the video, it's Ford, I do like them, it's Benimar, the finish and the quality is pretty good. Please remember that this one is a wood-free construction, for instance, so that's a real technical plus point for me. If you've liked the videos, click the link, subscribe, carrier pigeon, Morse code, whatever you need to do, just like and enjoy the videos. My name's John, and this is We Buy Any Motor Caravan.